Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. Today I want to show you how to paint this beautiful photo. And I took a picture. I went there last spring, so near my state park. And then we before we start, we think about the three things. So when we get any scenery or photo, we have to do three things. First, fun. Is this going to be fun to you? Second, composition. What size do you want to draw? Or which part going to be removed, which part add something. So third, colors. What kind of colors are you going to use for the sky, for the water, for the goose? Okay, this is very important things. So when you paint, you cannot. This is watercolor, so we have to do paint a little bit of quicker than other materials. Okay, so this is my sketch. So remove already I choose this goose and this baby goose, and this goose or geese I remove this one. So or you could choose like draw like this, but then I choose whole paper just to remove this one, and this baby goose move here. Okay, let's get started. And then I have prepared my materials for the water: cerulean blue and indigo, and olive green, sepia, and burnt sienna. So brushes and mop brush and Escoda pointed brush. Okay, we're gonna start first wetting the paper first, but then today I wanna paint first goose first. Okay, very first time with the paper with the small water, not much water. So except this leave some this white area. Okay. This is the first layer for goose. So I painted, I added some very light watercolor. Second, get some little bit of dark and thicker color put on the second area. So next to sepia mix, indigo. Add on the head, goose head area. Okay, next try baby goose. Baby goose stayed a little bit far in the distance, so I wanna paint a little bit of light color. Okay, if you want try more detail or give them more depth after drying, you could try again some further and some wing area, but then it's okay. All is okay. Yeah. Next, we're gonna try water. So this is not dry yet, so be careful and wet the paper background the whole entire area. I needed a mixture of cerulean blue and indigo. Okay, here some reflected tree, so use indigo mix this olive green. Okay. And one more thing, take out this water with the clean water and brush it. Make some lip balls. Yeah, look at that. Okay, here I'm going to try here. Clean the brush first, touching this paper towel and take out some color from this paper. Actually, this painting very simple, so I really wanna you try this one today, okay? This is burnt sienna. I wanna put some top of this goose. Okay, I'm done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.